for a check. Tell him it ain't likely. Said she need a ring like Carmelo. You must be on that white like Othello. All you want is Nikes, but the real ones, just like you, just like me. I don't play, I don't make time. But if you need dick, I got you. And I am from the line. Go up for ASAP. R.I.P. Pimp C. R.I.P. Trayvon. That nigga look just like me. Scales, a little mermaid. We out by the pool, some little mermaids. Me and them gel, like twigs with the bangs. Now that's a real mermaid. You know your brain, with it down. Punk Madre, Punk Papa. You don't care for me, but he cares for me, and that's good enough. We don't talk much or nothing, but when we talk about something, we have good discussion. I met his friends last week. They like they're up to something that's good for us.
We'll let you guys prophesy. We'll let you guys prophesy. We gon' see the future first. We'll let you guys prophesy. We gon' see the future first. Living so the last night feels like a past life. Speaking of the don't know what got into people. Devil be possessing homies. Demons try to body jump. Why you think I'm in this bitch wearing a fucking yarmulke? Acid on me like the rain. Weed crumbles in the glitter. Rain, glitter. We laid out on the sweat floor. Away turf, no astro. Mesmerized how the strobes glow. Look at all the people feet dance. I know that your nigga came with you, but he ain't with you. We only human and it's humid in these barmaids. I mean my balls sticking to my jeans. We breathing pheromones, amber rose. Sipping pink gold lemonades. Feeling I may be younger, but I look after you. We're not in love, but I make love to you. When you're not here, I'll save some for you. I'm not him, but I mean something to you. I mean something to you. I mean something to you. You gotta roll me, you'll hear what we do. It's only us.